Have you ever been deep into writing a query, only to be stopped dead in your tracks by an error message? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If you've encountered the error about case types not matching in Postgres, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when you're trying to get your SQL query just right, and then an error pops up out of nowhere. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users face similar issues when working with Postgres. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting the error that case types character varying and numeric cannot be matched?" They were working on a select statement with case statements, and everything seemed fine until that error appeared. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what does this error mean? Essentially, it indicates that Postgres is trying to compare two different data types, character varying and numeric. This mismatch is what causes the error. Understanding this is crucial for resolving the issue. And stick around. I've got a handy tip at the end that will help you avoid this error in the future. To address the error, the user should first understand that the issue arises from the data types being returned in the case statement. Specifically, one branch returns a character varying type, while the other returns a numeric type. Next, the user can resolve this by ensuring both branches of the case statement return the same data type. A common approach is to convert the numeric value to a string using the cast function. The user should modify the first case statement to include the cast function. This will ensure that both outcomes are of the character varying type. Similarly, the user should apply the same logic to the second case statement. This will maintain consistency in data types across both statements. Finally, after making these changes, the user can run the query again. This should resolve the error and allow the query to execute successfully. Fun fact, did you know that SQL was developed in the early 1970s? It's amazing how far we've come, but even seasoned developers can run into these pesky errors. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using a case statement to convert sizes into different units. They check the size and convert it to megabytes, gigabytes, or terabytes based on its value, ensuring all outputs are of the same type. Here's the tip I promised. Always check your data types when writing case statements. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your query should run smoothly without any errors. Remember, keeping an eye on data types is key in SQL. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we tackle more common SQL issues.